Okay? All right, so the second portion of this one is factoring by grouping. The key word is exactly the same thing, grouping. But in this case, it's already set up for you, right? Look at this, because now I have two terms. Look at the first one, look at the second one. What do you have in common?
X minus 6y.
X minus 6y. If I factor x minus 6y out of the first term, what do you have left? X. If I factor x minus y out of second term, what do I have left?
2y.
Am I done?
Yes.
Why? Why am I done? Yes, at the end, your end product is a multiply of something. It's a product of this times the product of that, right? So now this is done. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Let's do one more for the day. I'm going to call this B, and I'm going to do B in purple. B. Factor this. R squared minus 8. Minus, let me change that. R squared minus 4TR minus 8TW plus 2WR. Don't panic. Look what you have in common. Okay? So, what two do you want to group?
R to the second.
You remember the tip I told you earlier? Which two do you want to group?
First 2.
First two and second two. Okay?
Right.
Look at the first two. What do you have in common?
R.
Did you say R? Let's factor R out. If I factor R out, tell me what do I have left?
Minus
R minus 4T. Close?
Oh my god, I think I get it.
Let's look at your second portion, the second group. What do you have in common?
4?
Two? So is it minus or plus?
Oh, minus 2w.
Or you want to leave it as it is? I'm going to leave it as it is. So because this one doesn't have it, so I'm going to go 2W. Oh, let me do the other in red, the leftover in red. Okay, if I take 2W out of there, tell me what do I have left? Minus 4T plus R. Okay, I want you to look at the red parentheses. What's the difference? Now look at what do you have? You have two terms, right? Now I have this guy and this guy. Look at that and tell me what do I have in common. Look at the stuff inside the parentheses. Any difference?
R.
Or isn't
R and
this
4.
the same thing?
Same thing.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
exactly the same thing. So factor your red parentheses out. If I factor the red parentheses out, tell me what do I have? R minus 4T. If I take that from the first term, what do I have? I have R left. If I factor that from the second term, what do I have left?
W.
Am I done?
Yes.
Why am I done?
Cut.
Because I have my end product is 2 multiplication of something, right? How do I know my work is correct? Foil it out. That's what we did in chapter 5. Multiplication, multiplication. We foil it out and it will give you the purple one. Okay? How is it? Okay, so that is chapter